story. It's about a girl named Daisy who makes messes everywhere she goes. After listening to the story, we'll answer some questions. All right, thumbs up if you're listening. All right, got one friend not listening yet? Thumbs up. Are you listening yet? Got your pencil there going? You got a different one you can use for now? Okay. All right, here we go. Oopsie daisy. Don't forget your raincoat today, Dad told Daisy as she hurried to eat breakfast. Then Daisy knocked over her glass of orange juice. Oopsie daisy, Dad said. Later at school, when she took off her raincoat, Daisy looked down and saw she had splashes of orange juice on her white shirt. Oopsie daisy, she whispered to herself. When it was time for recess, the sun had come out. The teacher let the kids go out to the playground. As Daisy ran outside, she heard her teacher call, Daisy, watch out for the mud. Too late. Daisy slipped and fell. Oopsie daisy, said her teacher as she helped Daisy get up. After recess, it was time for art. The floor of the art room was covered in big sheets of white paper. We're going to paint today, the teacher explained. Before Daisy could get even one mark on her drawing paper, she spilled 3 jars of paint. Oopsie daisy, said her teacher. Daisy stared at the mess at her feet with her mouth open. Don't worry, the teacher said. The paint only got on that paper that I put down. Then Daisy had an idea. Why not use that paint? Soon she had turned the spilled paint into a colorful garden of wild flowers. No more oopsie daisy. This time, all she heard was, wow, Daisy. Okay, now turn one page so you see this. Okay, so number 1. How can you describe the setting in the beginning of the story? So think about the beginning of the story. Think about where the story takes place. Okay. Was it a starry night, a sunny afternoon, or a rainy morning? Think about the beginning of the story. Was it a starry night, a sunny afternoon, or a rainy morning? Okay, looks like we're ready to move on to number 2, the bird row. Think about where Daisy fell in the mud. Which picture shows something from that setting? So think about when she fell in the mud, where she was. Which picture shows something from that setting? You can choose one of the pictures. Raise your hand if you need more time. Okay, let's move down to item 3, the car row. What is the setting at the end of the story? The very end of the story. Was it the school playground? Was it an art class? Or was it at home? The end of the story, where was the setting? The school playground, an art class, or at home? Once you circle, flip your paper. Just flip. Do you see this? Okay, move to the apple. Move to the apple row. Choose the word play. Choose the word play. Okay, move to the bird row. Choose the word just. Just. If you don't hear me correctly, just raise your hand. I can repeat it. Okay, moving to the car row. Choose the word, hold on one moment. Now we're on the car row. Choose the word pick. Pick. Choose the word pick then. Choose the word pick in this row here. Okay, we're going to move on to the next row. Did you choose it then? All right. The chair row. Choose the word stop. Stop. And then turn to the last page. We're still not talking, we're still not done. Move to the fish row. Choose the word spin. Spin. Yes. Spin.